Hi guys, now this is just a short video. I wouldn't say it's funny, but you see these adverts on Facebook, and not all of them are British, so the British standard stuff is not always the same as ours. And something I bought for my bike, and I thought, you know, I'm going to share it with you guys. It wasn't cheap, but let's have a look at it anyway. So let me see if I can find it. I might do it as a giveaway one day, I don't know, because it doesn't fit my bike. So this is it. Handlebar lock, yeah, locks your brakes. Looks like a great piece of kit. It does. I've got other things on my bike, so I'm not really bothered, but like, I just thought this is I was going to buy it as an extra for my bike, and I thought, you know, I use it. So I've opened it. You get 2 keys. You know, 2 keys. Like this. And you get the unit itself, which is like this, yeah. So, oh, that means it. Get this unit like this. Now, if it don't fit your bike, you've got these rubbers to fit inside, you know, to take up that space. But be very aware, like my bike, mine's got aftermarket grips on it, and I'm going to show you exactly what happens on mine. Just doesn't fit my bike. It's not that I haven't got enough rubbers, it's got, this is too small, so let's show you. So, as you can see, can't close it at all. This will not close on mine. My grips are too big, and it just about closes around the brake. Well, it does, it closes around the brake lever, so I can do it on the brake lever, but I can't do it anywhere near this at all. I've tried it different parts of the thing, nothing. So just be very careful. Not really push it on, I could probably do it, but I don't want to break it, I don't want to break my grips. But this is advertised. This is advertised on Facebook. See if I can see what size it actually is, and I'd say about 30. The biggest it goes is about 37 millimeters. Yeah. So yeah, about 37. Let me show you from there. There we go. 37 ish. So before you buy it, measure it. Make sure, so if it's less than that, you'll be fine. Yeah, less than that, you'll be fine. But that was it, just a short video of this item. Shame, but there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.